In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube without showing their face. So I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. We're going to go through a couple of cash cow channels and what they are. And we're going to be talking about how much people are making. And hint, guys, it's a lot of money. So we're going to go through a couple of example channels of these cash cow channels, and I'm going to give you a bonus of the best niche to start right now in 2020. So guys, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you have two options. You can either do a personal channel where you have videos of yourself doing vlogs, or just using your face, your voice, or like a brand channel where you're the one who is the center of the channel, or you can have a cash cow channel. Now, a cash cow channel is one where you do not show your face, you do not put your voice on the videos, and you get someone else to make the videos for you. So you're making money without showing your face. Now, these channels are ones where they make viral videos, right? Cash cow channels make so much money because people want to always click on them, and they always get views, so it means that you'll be getting paid a lot for a viral video. And now you're always making money on videos that you didn't make, right? That is, I feel, the best strategy to start making money on YouTube today, is by making cash cow channels. Now, a personal channel, for example, is one like PewDiePie or Logan Paul, is a personal channel. Now, a cash cow channel, on the other hand, is a channel like, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of like the top 5 cars or top 5 channels, things like that. That is a cash cow channel. Now, I believe that cash cow channels are the new wave. They are where all the money is, where you can make the most money on YouTube in the quickest way. You don't have to put your voice on those videos. You never have to show your face, and you can get someone to make these videos for you. So you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars by making videos that you didn't even make, and videos that don't even show your face in. So the next step is you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized, and you need 4,000 watch hours within the last year. So if you want to get monetized, you need to do these two things. So when you get monetized, you'll have ads playing on your channel. You can place them in the beginning of your video, at the end of the video, or in the middle of the video, and these ads pay you money every single month. On the 21st of the month, you get paid for these ads. So you get paid more if people click on the ads. So the more ads you have on your videos, of course, the better, right? So we have to make sure that you get these 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours within the last year, in the last 12 months actually. So once you pass these this threshold, you'll then go into review, and YouTube will look at your channel and make sure that you are compatible with their YouTube partner program. So then you can start making money with ads, right? So the way to make money on YouTube is to copy what is working, right? And guys, again, going back to this 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, people think that it's really hard to do. It's it's going to take forever. But guys, look, it's not that hard. All you have to do is copy what is working. Copy viral trends. Copy things that people are watching right now, and you will get views. It's good to start. It's good to start with original content as well. But guys, you're not going to get views as quick as you will if you follow viral trends and copy what is working, right? You just have to hop on the viral train and you're going to get views. It's just common sense, right? So what you have to do is go to channels like Top Trending. This is a really big channel. They have 5.2 million subscribers, and just copy what they're doing. Guys, people are making so much money from this, guys. When I show you how much people are making, you're gonna be super shocked. I mean, there are some new numbers that I came across today, and I really wanted to share them with you, and I cannot wait for you to figure out how much people are making off of YouTube. And by the way, make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Say make money if you're still watching the video. I hope you are. Type make money down in the comments and leave a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, for instance, if you are making videos about life hacks, you just type in life hacks and look for videos that get like millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, and just copy these viral videos. So what you want to do is filter your video to this month and view count. So it looks like this video right here from Trim Trim has a lot of views, right? So you want to copy videos that are really viral, getting a lot of views. This is uploaded 4 weeks ago when they have 12 million views. This is another one right here. They have 8.7 million views. They've made a video about cool tricks you need to try yourself. And guys, this works in any niche at all, whether it be the finance niche, whether it be if you're making slime videos, whether it be fitness videos. All you have to do is copy what is working, because why would you want to start something new, reinvent the wheel? You want to just copy in the beginning, and then as time goes on and you start to build up your audience, then you can start making more original content. So if you want to be more precise and know exactly which videos are getting the highest view velocity, what you want to do is use a tool called vidIQ. This tool helps you to kind of see the analytics of each video and see which ones are doing really well and which ones aren't doing so well. So you want to make sure that you have kind of you're not wasting time making a video that's not going to get views. So if you want to download the app, it's called vidIQ. I have a link down in the description below where you can download it as well and install it on your browser. So guys, I'm going to talk about the best niches to go into right now today. So we're going to talk about CPMs. So there is the gaming niche, right? The gaming niche pays you about $3 to $5 for every 1,000 views. So if you get 1 million views on your video, you're going to be paid around $3,000 to $5,000, right? So this is dollars right here. Just make sure that the money sign is showing. That's what we're going to do. And then there's also the vlogging niche, right? So of course this one you have to show your face. But the vlogging niche, you make $5 to $6 per 1,000 views. So if you get 1 million views, you're gonna get paid $5,000 to $6,000. And then there is the finance niche, right? Now with the finance niche, you get paid anywhere from $15 to $20, right? So if you get 1 million views on this niche, you get paid $15,000 to $20,000. Now compare that to $3,000 to $5,000 here. I mean, that is pretty high. And then there is the how-to niche. Now with the how-to niche, you get paid like $5 to $6. Sorry guys, you get paid between $5 to $6 per 1,000 views. So if you get 1 million views, you get paid $5,000 to $6,000. And then there is a tech niche. This one has a pretty high CPM as well. Their CPM is $10 to about $15. So if you get a video that gets 1 million views, you get paid $10,000 to $15,000. And guys, there's also the top 10 niche. And guys, just to let you know, I'm going to be telling you like a little hack and a niche that I think is the best niche to get into now in 2020. Guys, this, you're going to be blown away. So the top 10 niche, so making videos like top 10 cars, top 10, top 10 movies, top 10 most richest people, anything like that, you get paid between $3 to $4, right? $3 to $4 per 1,000 views, right? So again, each niche has its advantage. For instance, like the gaming niche gets millions of views. The how-to niche gets, the top 10 niche gets millions and millions and millions of views, but their CPM is pretty low, right? But for instance, the finance niche is doesn't get that many views, but their CPM is pretty high. So there's kind of like a balance there, you know. So you have to figure out which niche you want to do. And guys, you can cash out from any kind of niche. If you want to start making videos in any niche at all, you just need to know which videos people want to watch. You need to know what the trends are. You need to know exactly which videos people are going to click on, right? So using that, you can definitely be successful in any niche that you choose, but there is one niche that, guys, just imagine if you combine the top 10 niche that gets millions and millions and millions of views with the finance niche. Guys, there is this channel that I want you to look at. First of all, let's go to the finance niche. So this is stephan. I made a video about him a couple days ago, and he is making so much money from his finance channel. Just listen to this, guys.
$129,122.99 in ad revenue. Now I'll cover exactly how much I made throughout the entire $129,000 with over 1 million subscribers. Last month I did about 7.8 million views, and my take home from that was $129,122.99 in ad revenue.
Now that's pretty crazy. From 1 month he made $129,000 in ad revenue on one channel, and he has two. So just imagine combining the finance niche with the top 10 niche, where people are getting so many views. So this is the income for a channel that combines both the top 10 and the finance niche. So let's listen.
But this channel here is making me $11,400 per month.
That's pretty crazy, guys. So that is the niche that I want you guys to kind of look into. Just imagine if you can combine the finance niche with the top 10 niche. You know, that is just a recipe for success by all means, right? So how do you do this? You have to adapt. You have to adapt to what people want to watch, right? So let's see, top 10 cars. See what comes up here. So like videos like top 10 most expensive cars, top 10 most expensive foods, top 10 richest people on earth, top 10 most expensive houses, things like that. You're just combining the finance niche with the top 10 niche, and these are videos that people just love to watch. This right here is called a cash cow channel. This right here is called a cash cow channel. 4 million views, 2.6 million views, 2.7 million views, 4.4 million views. So people love watching this stuff a lot. People are, intrigued by it. They want to click on it, and you're going to definitely get a lot of views. At the same time, your CPM is going to be higher because they're using keywords like expensive. They're using keywords like that are relating to finance. So that is something that you guys, I wanted to show you. Something that I want to talk about as well. Yeah, so if you guys have started a YouTube channel and you've become successful at it, leave your thoughts down below. But if you're still here, you are amazing. Please type in make more money down in the comments. I want to know if you're still watching. Type in make more money down in the comments. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna make it in this YouTube journey, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.